We have already covered sliding windows for lane detection and the link is in the description. But is it really the best way to detect lanes? Today, we'll compare it with SCNN and see when deep learning is worth it. Sliding windows find the lane pixels using a histogram-based approach. It works well on clear roads but struggles in real-world driving. SCNN is a deep learning model trained on real-world lanes. Unlike sliding windows, it doesn't just follow bright pixels, it understands lane in different conditions. On a straight, well-lit highway, both sliding windows and SCNN perform well. Since there are no obstructions, sliding windows track the lanes easily. Now, let's add some real-world complexities, shadows and occlusions. Here's the problem. Sliding windows follows bright lane pixels, so when the shadow covers the lane, it can completely lose track. SCNN, trained on real-world images, handles this better by recognizing lane shapes. Curves and lane breaks are another challenge. Sliding windows assumes lanes are continuous, so if there's a sharp turn or missing lane markings, it often drifts. SCNN, using deep learning, understands the lane even when parts are missing. So, what's the takeaway? If you're working on simple structured roads, sliding windows is great. It's fast and easy to implement. But for real-world, unpredictable roads, deep learning wins. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.